I think you'll agree it's windy, but very dramatic seas, beautiful coastline. Just under the waves there, the shipwreck. It's the SS Francia. It floundered on the beach about 150 years ago. At low tide, you just see the remnants of it. Another few hours, you see some spars and ribs sticking out of the waves. Quite a few seals around those rocks. Been round there in a boat. Gannies, diving, seals. Quite a sight.